Hello, and welcome to the Southern Belle channel. I need some help from all my ballerinas and ballerinos. I need you to help me figure out what this is. I've been going through my dad's workshop because I wanted to sell off some of his items in an upcoming Father's Day sale, or maybe a men's sale. At some point, I'm going to have to get rid of some things. So before I start selling off his most treasured possessions, I want to sell off a few things that he never got around to using, or he ordered and arrived after he had already passed away. And so this is one of those items. I don't know what it's called. I don't know how to explain it. I don't know what it does. It's still new and sealed in the package. I can't even look it up to see what it sells for because I don't know what it's called. So I just thought I will show it here and I will see if anybody knows. I don't know if I should open it up. Hopefully y'all can see it. It's got a really interesting groove to it. I'm not sure if you can kind of see how it works here. It matches up just perfectly, but I don't know what you would do with this though. Oh wait, did I just close it? Oh no. Now I don't know how to reopen it. Oh! You push it twice and it opens it. Okay, so if y'all would be so kind as to tell me what this is, what you call it, what you do with it, what the price is selling at wherever they sell this. That way I can discount it a little bit and put it up for auction. If for some reason somebody wants to make me an offer, we could turn this into a buy it now video. I just don't know even what to ask or what to call it. So I thought rather than continuing to worry about this, I would just make a video and ask y'all to help me identify it. So thanks ever so much.